Welcome to the POETSCH page. I'm Mark Pope. I'm coming to you today from Vancouver.
What range of time would you say? 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years?
Believe it or not, it could happen tomorrow.
It could, but realistically, a realistic estimation of time.
I think silver will probably skyrocket. It'll go past $40, $50 like it's not even there. Once the US dollar becomes a dead currency. That I'm not saying it won't exist. I'm just saying it's not going to have purchasing power. Once that happens, then gold and silver will skyrocket, because all the energy, all the financial backing that was once all in paper will come off, and it will go into something solid. Even other commodities like oil, that will also go up in value. But oil, it's hard to purchase and hold because it's a liquid asset. So you would need several barrels. You would need a storage facility. It's not really economically feasible. Gold and silver is.
I want to ask you a question. You just got paid probably a few days ago, like everybody else.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you put your money when you get paid?
Well, like everybody else, I put my money in my bank account. It's still the safest place to hold your money here in Canada, anyway. I think as time continues to go with what we're beginning to feel with this present economic condition, I'll have to start thinking strongly about putting it into an investment asset that I think may not be so much an investment, but a hedge. Because
Are you talking about protection?
Protection, absolutely.
Protection from, tell the people, from what?
Well, as a lot of people may or may not know, I believe that Vancouver is still one of the last holdouts in one of the biggest housing bubbles in North America. I would even go as far as to call it a super bubble. We've had a big run from about 2000 to 2010. We had a hiccup in between at 2008. I don't think it can last much longer. With the price of housing going to the stratosphere, they call some of the
I'll tell you what, for the viewers, we're going to post, maybe not this week, but we're going to have a link right here on your screen to a whole segment on Vancouver housing prices. And so those of you, if you're seeing the hyperlink right there, please click it right now, and it'll bring you to a podcast regarding the Vancouver housing bubble. And of course, I want you to leave your comments, suggestions, and of course, please subscribe.
This is Mark Pope saying, remember, don't use confetti, get ready.